Yesterday we have seen the story of Carl Friedrich Gauss. Now we are learning about the sum of first n terms of an AP, and this is based on the theme of Carl Friedrich Gauss. In arithmetic progression whose first term is A and the common difference is D, then the terms of arithmetic progression are a plus d, comma a plus 2d, comma a plus 3d, up to nth term, that means a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the nth term. The sum of n terms of AP. Now write down the sum. Sum is denoted by Sn. Sn is equal to, now do the sum of all these terms, a plus d plus a plus 2d. I have written the terms in the square bracket in this way. In this way all the terms are present here and so on, plus, and last two terms I have written here, a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. I have given the number 1 to this expression. Now reversing the terms and rewriting the expression. How Carl Gauss arranged the terms in the descending order like that. That means we have to write down this last term first of all. Now Sn is equal to sum of n terms, S for summation, sum of n terms is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This term write down at the second position, a plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 2 into d, plus so on in this way, and write down the first two terms at last. That means a plus d here, and which is the first, write down here at the last, plus a. That means in the ascending order I have written the terms in the first expression. In the second expression I have written the terms in the descending order. That means in the reverse order. This is expression number 1. It is expression number 2. Adding the expression 1 and 2. Yesterday we have seen how he had added the terms in the pairs like that. Add these two and write down the addition here. Sn means 2Sn is equal to, add these two, write down in the square bracket, add these two terms, it is the second pair, it is the first pair, it is the second pair. In this way write down, add the terms in the pairs and write down in the square bracket. Now by addition we get 2Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In each square bracket we get the same result, 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus so on, plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N times we get the same addition. 2Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n times into, n times means multiply by n. 2Sn is equal to n into 2a. I have written this n before this bracket. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Transpose this 2 to the right side, it becomes in division. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And this is the formula to find out the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Just we have seen this formula. We can convert this formula in another form. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, bifurcate this. 2a means a plus a. Sn is equal to n upon 2, a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. This a means t1. First term is denoted by t1, and this a plus n minus 1 into d, this is the formula for the nth term. That means it is tn. In place of a, write down t1. In place of a, write down t1, and in place of this, write down tn. That means this formula we get in another form. Sn is equal to n upon 2 t1 plus tn. Whenever it is necessary, we use this formula. That means we have two formulae. First, Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this one. Now we see an example. Example number 1. Find the sum of first 50 terms of AP. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, and so on. First of all, write down in the first sentence, in the given AP 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. The first term is A means T1, means that is means 3. T2 is equal to 6, T3 is equal to 9 and T4 is equal to 12. Now it is AP, that's why I find out the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. That means next minus previous. 6 minus 3 means 3. Common difference is 3. What is mentioned here? The sum of first 50 terms. That's why n is equal to 50. Then write down the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket into d, and close the square bracket. Now fill the values in their appropriate places. N means 50. Yes, sum of 50. Sum of first 50 terms is equal to 50 upon 2 as it is. A means 3 plus 50 minus 1 into 3. If we simplify this, we get 25. 6 plus 49 into 3. 50 minus 1 means 49. Write down 3 as it is. 25. 6 as it is. 49 into 3 means 147. Add these two. 25 into 153. And the product of these two is 3825. The sum of 50 terms is 3825. But write down the answer at last in the words. The sum of first 50 terms of given AP is 3825. That means we have to use the formula of Sn in this way.